Hi guys, I'm making dinner today, so I'm using chicken breast with some basil butter, some kale, some spinach, pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, thyme, and scallion. So now I'm gonna put some onion in there. Garlic, tomato, okay. This is chicken breast, and I'm not making any rice, but you guys can make rice if you want, or whole wheat dumpling or something like that. I don't know. I was gonna make whole wheat dumpling, but I don't feel like to do that today, so I'm just making this stuff. So now I'm gonna add some mushroom. So guys, I put basil butter, to stir fry the chicken a little bit. I didn't use oil or anything, just basil butter. And I love kale. So now I'm gonna add the kale. It's so yummy. And I'm gonna add the spinach right now. So the kale and the spinach together. And this is a full meal. You don't need any rice or okay guys, so I'm gonna give this like 5 minutes because I don't want my vegetable to overcook. So I'm gonna give this 5 minutes and I'm gonna come back, okay? Okay guys, so I'm back. It's almost finished. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, not a lot. Okay, that's good. And this meal is finished. There you go. You don't want to cook it too much. Add a pepper. And that's it. Okay, I'm gonna place it in a plate and I'm gonna be back in like 2 minutes. Okay guys, so this is how my finished plate looks. So this is kale with spinach and stir-fried chicken with some mushroom and whole wheat bread to go with it, with a bottle of water. And that's my dinner. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and comment. And I'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys. Mwah.